Hi, we will continue from the last part. We bind all those three text boxes and this uh, combo box. Now what I have to do is what we need to do is I want to um, do some code for this key release. When I type something, it should fill here. I want to do this for this text box. After that, I want to do this insert part, and in the image, when I click this button, it should have to show the box, and there I have to select the image. When I select the image, it should appear here in the image. Let's do that. For that, first we need to select that search by name. Here you need to give that key release event. For that, right click it, go to event. There you can see the key. There select the key release. Then here we need to write that key release code. Inside we need to write first thing, we need to write a method. That method why we write is uh, when whenever we do something, it should update um, the table. For that we need to write a method. First I will write that method, that is public. In the after key release, just click here and enter it. Below that, write it public void. It should not return anything, so I put void and refresh table. Refresh table method. uh, there we need to give list. uh, it's like a key, like a package. I want to add that list, and I will give lis1 lis, like I will give lis. We need to add that package. You can see above, you can there are no package. uh, if I want to add this package at import, when you click this bulb you can add. When you click this, it will add here. You can see here import java until list. Now inside you need to write some, you need to copy and paste in the key release method. You can see above here generate code. Click that plus here, and down you can get more codes. Here in the down you can see jtable binding, uh, something bind or something you can see here. Just copy this whole until this and copy this here and paste it inside your method you create. I will paste here. And another change is here, you need to change this name to this second, this parameter. Okay, student list, you need to change this to list, that name you gave here. Now okay, in the key release we need to write some code. First thing is we need to get that query, query. It's all, if we want to use that we need to add uh, that package first. Mm, for that you can first I will okay, you can see here this list. Under the list it will come this, you can see the bulb. Just click and add the import query or something. You can see here it's at now. Now we need to write that code. query, and then you can give any name here, and here you have to give entity manager name for where you get it. Go to that your form. There in the design you can see here your entity manager. You have to copy that name first. If you want to copy, just change, click the right click and change variable, and control C. You can copy now, and go to source and paste it, and inside that bracket you need to write two parameters. First one is query, second one is that student dot class. Let's see where we'll get that query. Go to your student class. There in the second, in the above, you can see here find by student name. There you can see the query. You have to copy. I already put that inverter comma, then I will copy this inside they have, and I go to that new frame and I have to paste this, and I need to change this equal like I have to change like to equal. Before it's in equal, I need to change like, and after that second parameter is student class, student dot class. Now I almost finished. In the second line, what you need to do is I write this entity name. Okay, everything okay. Now what we need to do is second thing, that get that name q and dot set parameter. Set parameter. Inside the parameter you need to write student name. Be careful, if you type capital small, it will not work. Then the second parameter you need to write where you type that text field. For that you need to put this thing. Before that you need to put inverter comma and put plus plus, and in inverter comma you need to put these things, and inside that you need to type what is the name of this text field. JText field 1. I will put this name JText field 1 J text. You can use interlistener. If you want to get interlistener, you have to press Ctrl space JText field 1 dot get text Okay, I will finish it. After that I think I add the query here. Application, I don't know why it say the error here. This is my entity name. Okay, we need to put here dot create query. I forgot it. Now okay, now everything okay, I think. And I made another error here. We need to put this student name in the inside the inverter comma. Now I think everything okay here. The third thing is you need to write list, capital L, list, and your that class name student, and you can give a name data. I will give data, and we need to give that this name, this object name q dot get set list, get result list. And the fourth thing is I need to call this method again for refresh table. Inside the method I put data. Okay, now what we need to do is now we'll run and see whether that is working or not. I will type s, now it's working. I will type n, it's working. I will type r, it's working. If you type with a simple letter, it's not work. It will check that capital symbol also. Now we finish this text box. Now second thing is what we need to do is insert part. For that we need to go click that insert. Inside that line we need to write the code. Before that we need to do something here. When I click this arrow, it should have to open a box, and it should allow to browse the image. For that I want to write something inside this button. First I will write that. After that I will write the insert part. First we'll double click this button and we'll write here. I think this is the part of, okay, now I got this button. Okay, we'll write that one. And before we write, sorry I forgot that, before we write we need to add something here. In the navigation bar you can see other component. You have to add something here. Right click it and add form palette. You can see here in the swing windows you can see file chooser. You have to add firstly. I add now. Now you can see here that file chooser one is at. Now we'll write the code inside the dot arrow. First thing is you need to take that j option. Now you add that thing. You need to call j file chooser dot show open dialog box. So open dialog box. Now you need to, inside that bracket you need to type this. And second thing is you need to type file, and this is also like we need to add some package if you want to use that file. For that I will add file here. I click this button and I add here equal I need to have to put this j file chooser again and dot get selected file, get selected file, get selected file. Okay, and after that we need to write some if condition. I will put this mark, and before that I will put f equal null. Inside I will write some code. If I choose what should happen. First thing is you need to type image icon. That's also you need to add that package here. Right click it, at import this you have to add this, and I will give the name here, and go put that equal new, and after that image icon, image icon, inside that we need to write new image icon. Inside that we have another bracket. We have to type this f. We put it in that file chooser, and get absolute path. And after that come out and put the dot here, and here we need to write get image, use interlistener, get image dot get scale instant, and we have 3 parameter here. We need to give this inside that image we gave that some width and height 100. We need to take as default. First thing is that label is label 4. Here you can see this is my image, and you can see the my label 4, label 4 dot get width, and second one first one we need to put height. First one we need to put width, second one height, third one we need to put something scale smooth. Okay, j label 4 dot first I get width, now I am going to get height. Third one what I have to give is image image dot scale dot smooth. Dot scale smooth. Now I have to finish this, and inside that I need to write again. I need to call the j label 4 and put set icon this name I. Okay, I think I write everything what I want. Yeah, I write everything, I think. Yes. You need to put inside that. Let's run and see. Okay, I change. Now what I want to do is I want to select this. Now it's open, that is working. In the desktop I will choose something. Okay, I will choose a JPG file here. City University I will choose, but it's not work, I think. Let's see what's the error here. Absolute path if condition. everything is right here, but it's showing error here. I don't know why. Let's see it will work or not. We'll select desktop. In the desktop I have some files. Okay, I will select this and open. Now it's working. I made the error here. You can see only I give a space here. That's the problem. Okay, now now it's fixed. Only I gave the space here in the if condition. I write something, I only give the space here. That's a problem. Okay, in the inside I not write anything. So this is working now. Here you can see this is working now. Now I can select the picture. You can see here I can select the picture. Any picture I can select. Okay, now it's working here. It's so here. Now I need to write in the inside the insert button. Let's do that. Inside the insert button we need to write some code. First code is we need to take an object s1 student s1 equal new student, finish it, and again we need to write we need to give one by one what we have, that student ID, student name, age, everything we have to give for this object. We need to show first thing is student ID. For that we need to type get student ID, and there's a problem. We need to change that text we get from this text field to, we need to change that text box name from integer from to integer. For that we need to type integer dot which is int passed int, and we need to give which text field j text field 2, and dot get text. Now I finish one, and likewise we need to get all the texts integer. Okay, I don't know what is the error I made here. Okay, let's do fully. S1 dot second one is get student name. I mean I put get student name. It's not get student name, it should set student ID. It should set. That's an error. Now second one is set student name. Set student name would be in the student name in the J field 5, and I need to give that J field 5. I'll copy here and I paste here, change it, and dot get text, and ID I gave ID and email, I gave ID and name, and that one is I will put age. Set age is in the text field for J text field for we need to change to integer. It's in string, we have to type integer dot pass int that is in for text field for dot get text, I get age, name, ID. Now I am going to get the image. For that we need to copy this file F. These things we need to copy. We'll copy first, and we'll put here. And after that we need to set image set image, and F that thing dot absolute path dot get absolute path, and now that picture also I get. And fourth one is a department ID. For that we need to type that department will department class will put D, and you have to put that department again here, department and J combo box. We select from that combo box, J combo box, and get selected item. Okay, now I get that. Now I am going to set that one for S1 dot we have in set department ID, and there we need to put D. Okay, I put this also. I made this class name wrong way, that is why we need to give how the name I made there. I put DADEAPRERTMENT. If you not give that same name here in the department, it's not will work. I put like that. Now what we have to do is we need to get that entity manager. For that we can go here and we can copy from this navigator Java. Here we have that entity. You can see here that entity manager. Right click and change variable name. You can control plus copy. Okay, and go to again that source. In the source you can put this first, and second one is get transaction dot begin. Finish it, and again you have to put that entity and put the dot and persist and put and in the parameter you need to give that this name, that student object name, and third also you need to put another again you need to put this entity dot, and again transaction get transaction dot commit. Now final thing is we need to put some message, we need to display message, and for that j option you have to type capital O, j option pen op option pen dot show confirm dialog box. So confirm dialog box, I give a lot of things. So confirm dialog box here, leave it is that root pen, and here you have to give that message what you need to print. I will put insert insert. Now what I have to do is finish it and put that list. You can copy here from above these two things, list and refresh data, refresh table, and you need to change here that these things that end with get results list, but that q not be q, it should be q student quantity, student student query, I think. Let's do that. Student query dot get results list, get results list. Now we complete all the index. We'll run and check. We'll insert some value first here, age 20, student ID should be 954 here, and I will give picture also. The desktop I will put some picture. I have a lot of picture here. Okay, I will put this picture, and I will choose ITOSC or something. Now I give everything, and I have to give insert. Now when I give yes, it's insert here. You can see it's insert. From the next video we'll do that update, delete, and view department. Thank you.